Dylan. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Today is a Wednesday, 20th of May. Alright, so we're going to start off with the euro against the US dollar. Alright, so what happened is that price has tumbled and it fell all the way and broke below the bottom of a previous rising trend channel, a minor one. And then after reporting the chart itself, we spotted that there is there's actually a major trend channel right here, and price is following and moving closer to the bottom of the rising trend channel. And over here in this area itself will be the key area for us to go for long. So we are still waiting for price to fall a little bit further, slightly cut below 200 moving average, closer to the bottom of the rising trend channel before we look for a long. And in this area itself, we have the Fibonacci retracement level of 38.2% as well. So currently price is seen supported at the support level 1.1134. Zooming a smaller time frame, it seems that this level is going to be unsustainable and price may be breaking below very soon. So just wait for price to retrace further before going for long opportunity. Alright, so that is for the euro against US dollar. Next, we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Price fell further and it got supported at the previous low at the price of 0.7339, Fibo expansion 141.4%. Just want to quickly touch on the daily chart itself. There is actually a rising trend channel that's forming right here unknowingly. Alright, so this is it. So right now price is also at the bottom of the rising trend channel based on the day one chart itself, and that gives additional support that the price may rebound and appreciate further from here. Alright, so the target profit is really pretty high in this case, with key resistance level, the first level at 0.7498, where the 200 moving averages coincide together. Hopefully it breaks above and all the way to the top, to the previous high at 0.7726. So right now just wait for probable long opportunity as price makes small retracement. There is still a possibility the price may come down back to the same support level before it starts to rebound again, based on what we're seeing right here. Alright, so that's for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Next, we have the pound against the US dollar. Right, so we do see the price is appreciated within a rising trend channel, but it begins to fall as right before it touches the top of the channel itself. But right now it has touches the bottom of the channel, and we are expecting price to rebound very soon. But probably in this case, as the price is still consolidating and yet to make any significant rebound, it might come back down to the same level again, close to the price of 1.5461, and this will be the price to look for a long opportunity if we do see the price got support at this area. And then you have two low right here that will give additional boost for the rebound itself. Alright, so that, and just to take note, in the 4-day chart, the stochastic is already at oversold zone. So right, expecting price to appreciate very soon. So next, with the Aussie against the US dollar. So previously there was actually a rising trend channel, and price has already broken below that level itself, and a new rising trend channel has been spotted right here, as you can see, and price is about to reach the bottom of the newly spotted rising trend channel at the support level of 0.7883. Alright, at the same time, stochastic is at oversold zone as well, and at this level itself, we also see the 200 moving average. So in this case, this level could be a very strong level for us to go for a long opportunity. Alright, maybe we could try Fibonacci retracement. Alright, nothing much, just that right now it's at the 38.2% retracement level. Doesn't look that sustainable. Might expect price to still fall a little bit further before we really go for a long opportunity right at the bottom of the rising trend channel itself. So that's for the Aussie against US dollar. Next, with the dollar against the Japanese yen. Previously I actually have a symmetrical triangle formation right here, but then price has rallied and broke above it, and after which we found out that there's actually a rising trend channel that is suddenly forming right here, as you can see from the bottom, connecting all the closing price of the candles and then we actually found out that there's actually a probable rising trend that's forming right here. So expecting price to appreciate further from here all the way to at least at the resistance level of 121.18. Probably a spike at the top of the channel itself before we look for a short opportunity for the dollar against the Japanese yen. Stochastic is already in a very overbought zone, but the ADS, which represents the strength of the current trend itself, is pretty strong. So hopefully, as it touches this level, as it pulls back, we see a very sharp turn right there for the ADX, and of course, stochastic put down. Then we can wait for a short opportunity for the dollar against the Japanese yen. Alright, so that's for it. And next we have the dollar against Swiss franc. Alright, so we are seeing the price has been appreciating as well. And we are waiting for price to appreciate a little bit furthermore till it slightly cuts above the 200 moving average and touches the top of the falling trend channel before we look for the short opportunity for this currency pair. Alright, that is pretty much for the dollar against Swiss franc, very straightforward. And next, I would just like to touch on another three currency pair. First, we have the Aussie against the New Zealand dollar. Alright, right now price has been appreciating, breaking above the trend line itself. There was previously a falling trend channel. Price is broken above it, and it is right now seen resisted and exhausted at the final exhaustion level. Price of 1.08 for the three Fibonacci expansion was 1.8%, hovering around the retracement level of 61.8%, and on a fundamental level itself, we are probably looking at price for the Aussie to weaken against the New Zealand dollar. Mainly the reason is that if we look back at the Aussie against the US dollar, price is currently at a pretty high price, away from the comfortable level of 0.75 by the Reserve Bank of Australia. So, and they have been signaling for a easing of monetary policy due to the currency level that's becoming a little bit too high. So sooner or later, we are expecting the Aussie to weaken against the US dollar further, probably after a short rebound right here. And if we look at the New Zealand dollar, price is already at the bottom of the of Alright, basically it's already at the bottom compared to the odds Australia against US dollar. New Zealand dollar is currently at a much comfortable level in terms of the currency level compared to the Australia against US dollar. Therefore, we are expecting the New Zealand dollar to appreciate from here and the Aussie to weaken from here, and therefore we are expecting the Aussie against the New Zealand to drop or rather to fall pretty soon. Alright, so this could be a good chance to go for the short opportunity, a good swing trade for this currency pair. Alright, so that's for the Aussie against the New Zealand dollar. And next with the dollar against the Canadian dollar, slightly replotted the chart itself, and price is currently seeing resistance at the top of the falling trend channel. So just wait for trade setup right here. In fact, this is already a good signal to go for the shorts. You might want to go for the short right here, and just to set your stop loss somewhere a little bit higher, probably about 25 pips away from the top. That will give you a 50 pip of a risk instead of stop loss. If you want to go for the short for this currency pair. All right, and last but not least, we have the euro against the Australian dollar. Price has been falling, and it may start to form a probable falling trend channel, a minor one itself. And during the smaller time frame, if we plot a trend line right here, probably the 15-minute chart. Alright, we are seeing the price is currently sitting at the resistance at the falling trend line in the 15-minute chart. Expecting price to fall even further till it touches the bottom right here, or at least at the support level of 1.3957. Alright, so it's still pretty much potential. You might want to go for the intraday shorts for the euro against Australian dollar. Right, so that's pretty much for this, and with that, I have come to the end of my trading analysis video today. So thank you for watching and good luck for the rest of the trading day.